this. Let me grab my scissor. Where is it? Weather stripping. Window weather stripping. I think it's half an inch by quarter of an inch. Don't go all the way down with them. Go all the way down once you get all four of them in. And that is an airtight seal. There you go. Let's get the vacuum. See what it does. We're not going to put dust through it. We'll just check it with some felt for my 2-inch from my vortex over there. Also, that, and then that plastic dip, you can get at Harbor Freight. You spray that on, and it'll make this rubber. All right, how much time do I got left here? I got enough time to. I ain't painting it. I ain't doing nothing to it. Leaving it the way it is. I'm going to add a little couple of handles to it so it's easy to pick up. And that's it. Well, YouTube, I hope you liked it. It was quick. It's effective. It's not expensive. And it works. There we go. All right, YouTube. Again, I'd like to thank everybody for the subscribes, the likes, the comments. If you want a Mike's Wood Shop sticker, if you want to ask a question, my email will be below. Just send me your contact info or send me the question and I'll email you back. All right, YouTube? You all have a safe week and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.